What's going on, everybody? Back at the park. Just enjoying this hot June day, first Saturday in June. We got a bird right here. It's like he trying to, he kind of aggressive. Man, I wish I could flip this thing around. Yeah, he kind of aggressive on me. He ain't playing no games. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he doing his little, he flapping his jaws out or something, so we gonna stay out his way. Can y'all see him over there? What the fuck? He right there in the cut. I know you see him. He's like, he ain't playing no game. I'm gonna give him his space though. I'm gonna let him live this time. But he flexed up. Bird got flexed. Yeah, it's about 90 degrees out here. I'm just trying to get a good walk in, keeping the routine going. Getting a little sweat out. But I figure if I come out here and try to run, I'm gonna overexert myself and I ain't gonna wanna come back. So if I just keep the walk on, I'll come back. But I am pushing myself, so I'm just walking. I'm just taking my time doing more laps instead of just trying to completely tire out. Like they say, it's a marathon. It ain't no race. So yeah. Trying to get my digestive tract back on where it's supposed to be at. Get my head right. Feeling much better than I did before. Back in the shade. That's how you know it's hot. You're praying for that shade. But it's the beginning of summer. If you got goals, you got plans, go ahead and get them done. Just do it. Yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, this is lap 2. I'm debating on if I want to do this third lap or if I want to just do 2 and be done, because I got more plans today. We probably gonna go to Target and go shopping real quick. So we'll see. I'll pick up some stuff. It's Saturday, so I'm just relaxing pretty much. Oh, dude. You catch something?
No.
What was he trying to catch? Catfish? He said no. You gotta throw it way out there.
Yeah. I put all of that and now my fishing nets in the tangle.
You got algae, yeah. Yeah, a dude out here fishing, little kid. Ain't nothing but turtles in here. Man-made lake. I don't even call it a lake, that's a little pond. Yeah. Sound good. So just enjoying the day. I could be at home chilling, or I was at home chilling, but it's like, man, let me get out the house, man. Feel better when I get out, so instead of looking at 4 walls on the phone, watching Fire Stick, just sitting there not doing nothing. You gotta keep your mind going. Well, that's what I'm doing. These birds aggressive. All right, we got the hill now. Going up the hill. This park is huge. You know, I ain't never been this way. Let's do something new. Let's go this way. I always hit the hill, you know. Try to get them extra calories burnt. So let's see. We're gonna go this way. gonna be going live eventually. I figured out the StreamYard. This will be like my 10th YouTube page. So let's see how it works. Be busy, man. I work full time, so gotta make time to do extra stuff. Can't get lazy. Well, it's alright to be lazy sometimes, but you can't stay lazy. See what we got here. Any fish right here? Still need to bring my fishing pole out here. I know there's some big boys in there. We need some rain though. They got this little pavilion. Okay, yeah, this where he need to be at over here. I bet this where all the fish is. It's more quiet over here. Yeah, this where he need to be at, right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go over here and chill in the shade for a little bit. Off the beaten path. Oh yeah, it's good. Get up under this shade real quick. Yeah. That's what I need, a damn hat. Y'all remind me to get a hat. That's what we're gonna try to do today. Get a hat. Right, get a hat in the comments. I'm gonna take a seat. That's what we finna do. Take a look around. Looky. Telling y'all, these birds flexed up today. They ganging up on the brown bird. They racist, man. Look at them. They flexed up, see? They ain't letting them make it. Man, what he do? Survival of the fittest. He must have cheated on one of them. They retreat.